Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday. It is April 23rd. And if you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And take a look at my website. Make sure to watch the video on the homepage to learn more at fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the US dollar did end up making a pretty nice solid move to the upside. Definitely gave us a couple pretty decent breaks of structure. I think that pretty much proves that this whole move down is complete. So now that that move down is complete, we have our Fibonacci retracement on the whole move. As you can see, that's these black lines. I personally expect it to be a crescent to the last wave down, but you never really know about these markets. I would expect to see a corrective pattern, probably lasting at least all week long, maybe perhaps even more, maybe something like this, some sort of an ABC shape, up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. Now, it could literally go to any one of these levels and then end up turning down and continuing the downtrend. This is what I'm expecting to see over the next week or more, some sort of an ABC Elliot Wave corrective pattern. But there is definitely a chance now that this trend is over that it just keeps on going up and eventually gives us the daily time frame breaker structure, which would confirm a trend reversal. I don't really think that's going to happen, but like I said, now that we have this breaker structure, I think you could be looking for longs. And while you're looking for longs, hopefully you can learn and earn whether it makes like an overlapping corrective Elliott wave pattern over the next couple of weeks, or whether it makes a very impulsive move to the upside, eventually giving us a breaker structure. So hopefully we'll be looking for longs on the dollar while we learn and earn. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.